What's up, everybody doing? Stream, dead stream. um, I don't think 20's coming over. He didn't ask. He didn't answer the question. I thought he was gonna answer it. It's kind of confusing. Anyways, we're just gonna do it. Worst case scenario, I just end it early if he shows up. What was I doing? I gotta remember what I was doing. I know I wrote a little list at the top there. This right here. Hmm. This doesn't need spaces. Sorry, but I fucking got shit in my eyeballs. I stayed up late, so I woke up late and just kind of threw everything off. I haven't even took a shower yet. Uh, so I need to order groceries. I ain't walking to the store. I'm too sore. Order the groceries tomorrow. I still got stuff. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I remember now. The texture. We're trying to convert our chosen image. Or no, we wanna blend it. I think they both need. So I think we need to grab the. We need to grab the maps texture, and then once we do that, we gotta convert it into an image, and then we could use the image methods. I think that's which are just functions. I'm gonna just call them functions. I hate the word method. That bothers the hell out of me. Still confused about what is or isn't a method. Maybe that's like the ready or the process function, but I don't know. I'm just gonna say function. Anyways, use the functions of the image data type to blend them together, and then turn them back into textures. Hopefully, still blended, and then reapply and update them. Which that sounds like a lot of processing going on, but I don't know how else would you be able to do it. I don't think the camera would work either unless it communicated to all cameras. So if every decal had its own camera, project it onto a mesh, and then it'd probably work, but we have to communicate every single decal through cameras, transferring them to another camera. That just sounds like horse shit. Alright, where was I? Right here. I'm going to rename this to prevent crashing. We know now. It says it's texture 2D. And we kind of know that already as well. Maybe I can create a new texture. Yeah, and then just make it. Let's try that. Let's do var new updated decal texture equal texture 2D new. And decal texture equal to texture decal texture. I think nothing. It didn't crash, but it also didn't work. Error. This is an invalid image. Null. Okay. Interesting. Did I delete the texture on accident? We got it. Yeah. There's something there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How do I throw it? Let's got these out. we got some feedback here, so it might tell me if it says no, then we're getting some. We got some sort of error. Aha! Create from image. She's not creating anything because decal image is null, even though it's right here. Strange, very strange indeed. Export. You know, I know how I could test this. So if because I could just do an @on ready, and we'll just load it manually, and then we'll know that's the problem. I'm pretty sure it's just it hasn't loaded fast enough, so you get an error. Gross. Stop asking me that. That's a bug, by the way. I just forever ask you, stupid. Short reload from disk. I don't even care anymore. Just do whatever you gotta do, man. Okay, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna make a on ready var test image equal. And we'll just grab our. Do we want to load it? Load, and then I will grab the path. There. And instead of using decal image, we're going to use test image. It did not work. Interesting. So that means I need to convert it. Oh no, it's supposed to create from image right here. It still says no. Interesting. Interesting. That's freaking weird. That's freaking weird. That is strange. Alright. 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 What the fuck? Target test data mission. Target test data. Get test map. Get test map. Target test data. Yes, serves over. Yep. That is a thing. Okay. Alright, sorry, I was checking my phone. That is a bad habit. Uh, 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 to take the image. Why, why? It has to be created from it using the create. Has to be. Oh, image load from file. I'm not using the method load from file. Is that why? This isn't the same. Alright, hang on. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, you fat bitch. Hey, it works. Alright. So now we know how to convert it. And it looks like you have to use load from file. So, does this only accept strings? Interesting. How do I get a path? Maybe a resource? Resource path, I think. Yeah, the resource data type might have a path function. Like a property. Resource path. Oh shit. Oh shit. That looks like that works. Unique path to this resource. Oh shit, that might work. Take resource path. Resource. Save all scenes. Let's just save all scenes. Close this out. Test. I'd accept it because it is a resource. Save all scenes. Go back here. Ah, let's go! Fuck yeah! So instead of making it a texture, we make it a resource, and now we can just fuck with it. I just learned an invaluable skill. Now I can fuck with paths, data paths. I was just guessing. I had an assumption that resource might have a path. That is unbelievably helpful. Sure, ignore changes. I don't know. Maybe I need to clip the scripts, because I don't know why I keep saying that. Hit save all saves. So now, where is yeah? Get the data. Let me delete this because that's gonna get. So now we gotta blend the two textures, which means I need to convert. So before I can do that, get the data. Convert map texture to image, then blend both images. Convert them both back to, or no, actually I could just use the one image. Convert the texture, convert map texture to image and blend both images. Use the combined output to new. Problem is, how would I do that simultaneously for multiple decals? Because they all have different positions and they would all run at different times. I mean, it's just sound. I mean, with every new decal, that's adding a layer, like you would in a 2D editor, and each layer would have to be combined. So maybe I had to use an array effect, get the total amount of decals. First, check the whole map for all decals. Get all the decals. Blend them together, then apply it. May require an array of decals to be counted for each one on the map. Only then do you blend all of them together to map. I mean, you'd only have to do this once. It's not like it would be running all the time. It would just update it once, and it would update it once at runtime. Let me see. Should be fine, is it would only apply once. Ready My foot is not. Ow. I see same old scenes. Yo, Spears, what's up? I fixed it, by the way. I also saw I was looking at my phone. I looked away for a second. I was using the wrong data type for the decall. I was supposed to use the resource data type, which lets you get the path intuitively. So you can drag and drop in the resource you want, and then you can just get its path from the property resource path. So when I hit play, it loads it now. So now it's both simultaneously an image that can be edited using the properties and functions of the image class, and then I can convert it back and forth whenever I need to, and also use all the cool tools. And now I gotta do the same thing for the map. So the grassy dirt thing below, I gotta grab its texture, convert it the opposite way. I gotta convert it back to an image from a texture, and then I gotta take both the resource and the image, combine them together, and then when I combine them together, I gotta reapply them. And then once that works, I gotta find a positioning system. I have to have some way to tell the computer, hey, put it over here. I haven't even opened the browser once, so I feel kind of pretty proud right now. I think I've just only been in Godot, which is awesome. What am I doing again? Oh, yeah, I remember. It would be my stuff. Media. Media. Worst case scenario, if I can't, I don't want to spend a whole month on this. I might just save it and set it aside and finish it later. But I think my go-to solution is I'm just gonna skip the decalls altogether. If I can't get this done quick enough, I'm going to just omit all of them. And I'm gonna go with the object solution, where I make an object and I just position it in the exact correct spot, and it will be a child of the map itself. So my decall work would actually update the real map. So basically I go to the map mesh scene/file where it's just an empty map, and then I take and I cut out chunks of the original mesh in Blender and retexture them and give them their own textures. But they would all have the same origin point. So when I import, oh hey Justin, what's up? Yeah, they would have the same origin point with different textures. And so they would share the scale too, since they would be children. There'd be a child node of the actual map mesh. That way, when I update that resource, it'll update the real map with all the painted new decals on there. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm looking for resources. Resource. Ow, my foot. Oh, I am so sorry. I did not mean to ding dong Windows right there. Yeah. Oh, my spine now. Um, I did not. Because I went to bed as soon as I was done streaming. I'll take after this stream. I'll take a look. That's my bad. Yeah, it's just a new job. My body's got to adjust. It's a lot of mopping. It's a lot of mopping and vacuuming. I'm really tall, so I gotta do it in reverse. I gotta sweep backwards down the stairs. If I sweep forward or if I mop forward, that's really bad on my back. Because I gotta bend over. Yeah, it's the curse of being tall. I would have preferred being like 5 feet tall, but whatever. What was it doing? Mm, uh, there we go. It's okay. I just need to do lots of stretches, eat some extra protein, and make sure I get my sleep. Ah, I'm better posture. I need to flip my mattress around. It's got a dimple. Alright. Alright, convert as needed. So now we need to convert the next thing over. We can get rid of this. It would be bar target test data. Which actually I should just do that up here. Yeah, I think if you don't have a proper box spring, you're supposed to get like bunky boards. They're really expensive. I don't want to spend $70 on bunky boards. I got like a mine's similar. It's a folding bed, so it's like a metal cot frame, and then it's a memory foam mattress. Alright, let me see here. Default resource to image. And then up here, we got the materials. So this is where we want to convert the texture. And then we want to apply the final texture here. So we're going to put null, apply final updated texture here. We'll put this top, and then we got this here. So now we're gonna get the texture. So var, or no, var get text test texture equal get test mat dot albedo texture. Then we go to var texture test texture texture to image equal get test texture dot, I don't know. All right, we gotta go to the thing real quick. Unless I can remember how to do it, I'm pretty sure I don't. Yeah. I'll just take a look at my stream real quick, because that would be faster than looking up the actual thingy. I think it's this one. I don't remember. No, I can just use the get image. It said texture 2D, so yeah, that should be right. Get test texture. Or no, actually, should get test image. I could probably skip a step here and just go straight to get image. So now that we have an image, we can test to see if it worked. All I gotta do is take get test image and put it into here. Okay, it didn't work. It didn't work. I thought it would work. It did not work. I'm gonna have to look that up real quick. Hmm. Just so you guys know, I'm not doing anything on the internet right now. I'm just the only thing I'm doing is I'm looking up the get image uh, function, which doesn't seem to be working. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go to my stream real quick. Here we go. Current image equals source image, get image. Okay. Compares text 2D. So yeah, you do use get image. Strange. Huh. I feel like that should work. Got the texture. Maybe this texture. Well, no, yeah, it has to be a texture. It's albedo texture. Maybe I need to make, because the var was an image. Huh. Let me try var. This would be texture. Test image equal. Can I set this to image and then go get test texture dot get image? I think because of the data type. The data type allows you to access functions you otherwise wouldn't be able to in conjunction with the other variables compatible type, even though it doesn't have that function. Maybe, I don't know. It's because it didn't work up here. For whatever reason, it didn't work up here, which implies that it does not have this function. But we know image has it. But we'll try that. So we have an image now. Image to texture, create from image. And then we're going to use get test image. Get test image. It did not work. Yeah, it's null. It's not getting it for some reason. Expected modifier texture. Yeah, well, I'm trying to find any. Are there any that I can grab? Could do get image work on just the material. No, 20 star to call. What the heck? Yeah. Hello? Shit, hang on. Let me switch to... Hello? What's up?
Didn't realize
What?
you were still on the stream. Okay.
Oh, are you at your house? What's up?
Just going to see if I can come over, but
Yeah, you can come over. Yeah, you can come over.
Alright.
The stream's almost
My
done.
bad. Oh.
You're not outside,
Well,
are you?
you were inside.
Are you outside?
No, I just left my place.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I need to lock it.
Alright, cool. Yeah, by the time you're over here, I could just end the stream. It's almost done.
Alright, my bad.
No, you're fine. See you, man.
See ya.
Bye. Anyways, y'all, that was Boy at 20. Like Blindside, me and him, we stream every now and then. He's my second cousin. We're gonna be playing cards after this. Alright, we're gonna turn the browser back on because I don't know how to get a texture off a material. It's being a little baby. What's up, everybody? We're doing early. Oops. Switch this back to speakers. My bad. There we go. Bam. This is fine. Those aren't the problem. Maybe I need to go to the material. There might be something in the material class. So we grabbed this, which did not work. But it should inherit this stuff. Oh, there's a lot of cool shit in here. Oh, it has a get texture. Ah, shit! I found it. It's part of the material, so we have to use the get texture, and we gotta do 0. That's what I fucked up. Way to get texture 0. I found it. So get test texture, get texture 0, because it's albedo texture. Now that we have the texture, we gotta get the image, and we're gonna do get test image equal get test texture dot get image, which should work, and then we go down here and we do get test image, and then hit play. Fuck! Maybe we need to create it for image look. Create no, because this is what creates from the image. Get this material. Alright, let me bring the browser back up, because this doesn't seem to be working. So I got albedo right here. Yeah, see? I have the damn texture, now let me convert it, damn it. I have the texture. Hang on, let me... How do I convert a texture to image? I forgot already. Just a texture. Fuck! Hmm. I'm so confused right now. Image texture. Is that what I'm doing wrong? Image texture. Texture dot get var image equal texture dot get image. Var texture load. I don't want to load from file. I could make it a resource, I guess. I could convert it back into a resource. Texture 2D dot get image method. Huh. So I have the texture. Oh, did I type it wrong? Get image. No, I did type it right. What the freak? Ooh, this is cool. Hang on. I'll probably forget about this. I'm writing this one down. Thank you, Mr. CDK. I just say that as a weight example. That is overkill. That's not what I'm looking for. This is what I want to do, but it's not working. You don't have to do image new. You can just do far. Oh! Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. I think I gotta declare it's an image first. Fuck! It's still null. Why? I have the got texture. Oh my fucking god. I'm so confused. I hate when this doesn't work. My day go dot get texture return null. Minus AI go dot get image from material. Alright, there must be something wrong with the material here. It might be material. So we have the material. Albedo texture. I guess we'll just go back to what I had, I guess. Albedo texture. It just says null. Why does it say null? Get test texture. Dot get image. It's clearly not null. Oh, I'm a dumbass. I didn't update this. I think that's... I'm just dumb. Ugh. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I forgot that I set this to 0. I mean, I set this to null, so it was just, it was always going to be null. It's still null. It's saying get test texture is null. Is the code wrong? Oh, it doesn't have a texture. That's right, it's textureless. No, wait, I'm getting the material. No, this is the material. I'm confusing myself. Target test data. Oh my god. I can't believe I did that. Oh, my brain. I just had an aneurysm. I don't even want to talk about it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did I do that? I don't. Oh. It doesn't have a texture because I'm targeting the wrong. I'm supposed to target the map. I'm not targeting the map. I'm targeting a blank. There is no texture. I mean, oh my god. I gotta make another variable. What am I doing with my life? I didn't listen. Oh my god. The map is right here. It's the declared variables: source obj, source material, source image. Which I already have that. It's down here. I already got it. It's there. It is. Get texture right there. I already have it. That means I need to change the operations here. I'm gonna have to put this down there. I got ahead of myself. I was thinking, oh, time to do the map, and I just completely forgot about the variables. We gotta delete that. Just gonna get rid of all this. You know, I'm embarrassed. We're gonna get rid of all this. Test image. Decall image. Resource path. And then create from image. Yes. And then we can, instead of using albedo texture, we can just shorten this, and we can just do get test mat. And then this would be vertical to texture, image texture. Warning. This gets the decal. This gets the decal test planes material, which is blank. It does not get the map. This is blank. I fucked up. We gotta fix this. I screwed up. So for some reason that does not work. Test image, decal, get test map, get texture one. Well, that didn't work. Is that? Oh, I think that's just getting the raw image, maybe. Strange. Get the material. Get the texture. Ow. Get test texture. Get test texture. Get test texture. Okay, I had it right the first time. Wrong variable. This should be get test texture. Fuck! Fine. Get test mat dot albedo texture. Oh my god, I broke it. I broke it! I had it and then I broke it. Oh man. Man. But get the material. Okay, I had the material. Get the texture. I have the texture. Load my decal image. Well, there is no texture. What am I talking about? Man. I don't think I can undo enough steps. I better go back on the video. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Anyways, just go back. It would be faster just to go back and just see how I did it the first time. So you get test mat, get the material, test image load from file, image texture that create from image, yes. So we got the material, just get test mat. Ah, fuck. Where is it? No, I lost it. 50, so it'd be here. Like the 50-minute mark. I can't. The video's so long, it's so hard to just find the spot I want. Freak. What's up, 20?
Okay.
Alright, I'm just gonna save this here and end this here. Screw it. I give up. See y'all next time. Bye.